Let's have a look at isnull versus coalesce. With these two things, we'll say, if the first thing I give you is null, then go to the second option. Isnull can only have two options, while coalesce can have as many as you want. So let's declare this variable and give it hello for a value. So now isnull will go and look at the first option I gave it, which is a var. And if that's not null, then it'll give me that value. Otherwise, it will give me the next value. So you'll see it returns hello. But if that is a null value, it will go on to the second option I gave, which will give me no number, as it did there. With coalesce, you can do the same thing, you just have more options for it to look through. So the first one was null, so it went on to the second one and saw that that one was not null. So it gave me that value. But if all of them were null, it would give me the third option. Now, isnull doesn't care if these two are not compatible data types, whereas coalesce will give you an error. It cannot convert between data types, and it goes through each option. It doesn't just stop at the first option it gets with a value like isnull does. Isnull can also have null as a value, while coalesce cannot just simply have null inserted. It must have an expression that is not null constant. So if you use isnull to create a column in a table, it will look through all the data, and if any of the data is null, it will give you a nullable column, whereas if none of the data has a null value, it will give you a not nullable column. Coalesce will simply give you a nullable column all the time. So that's the difference between isnull and coalesce. Look for the link down below for some exercises.
Our sponsors, Help MyDatabaseIsSlow.com, specializes in making slow databases run faster. Contact them. They may be able to help.